So if you are signed in with an account, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and maintain out contact settings as well, and maintain out different contacts as you wish to whom you may want to share out your PDF files with. So to do that, you can go around over here onto your profile right here. And as you go around over here onto the left hand side, you can see that contacts is an option under signature. So here what you can do is you can go ahead and add in, let's say for example, contact. So this is the search area right here. But if I were to click on add contact, I can go ahead and add in, let's say for example, contact right here. I can add in phone number as well and click on create right here just like this. So once you do that, what happens is that the contact will be added in right here. You can go around right here. So let's just go around and say TutorTube right here just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and add in email right here. You can add in more as well. So let's just go ahead and say TutorTube2 right here. And I'm going to go ahead and say TutorTube at outlook.com. Let's see, for example, right here. So I'm just going to add in 2 email addresses. And I accidentally closed it. So let's just go ahead and do that again. So I'm just going to go around over here and say TutorTube right here. This is going to be TutorTube 3 right here and TutorTube right here 2. And this is going to be TutorTube at outlook.com. Let's say, for example, and if you were to go ahead and click on create now, what happens is that it'll go ahead and add it in. So there's a server error. Sometimes that happens right here. So let's just go around over here and then go to contact right here. And you can see that they have been added in. So now if I were to go around over here and type in TutorTube right here, just like this, it goes ahead and filters this out right here. So let's just go ahead and type in TutorTube channel and it'll filter it out as per what you have right here. You can go ahead and edit it out as you want as well. You can go ahead and change it. And let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and add in tutor at the end and click on save. And the update will reflect out accordingly right here. So you can see that this is what you have. And if you were to go back, this is what you have, as you can see. So that is basically how you can work around with contact settings as you like inside of ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.